Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. On this video I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful Christmas candle holder set. These candle holders could be the perfect decoration for your tablescape or to put them on a mantle. Here I'm showing you how they look with red and gold decorations, but they also look really beautiful with silver decorations, which is the way I'm planning on decorating for Christmas this year. If you like what you see, click the like button and share with your friends. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. That way you get notified every time I upload a video. So let's get creating. To create each candle holder, you will need a small glass bowl and 2 candlestick holders, and you can find this at the dollar store. I'm going to start by decorating my candlestick holder with this gold diamond wrap and some flowers from this gold flower mesh. I'm going to take a 3-row strip of my gold diamond wrap and I'm going to glue it right around here on my candlestick holder. And for the purpose of this video, I'm using hot glue, but you should use a strong glue like the E6000. Now I'm going to take 4 flowers from my flower mesh and I'm going to glue them on top of the diamond wrap, skipping a space in between. Next, I'm taking 4 more flowers and I'm going to glue them to the bottom of one of my candlestick holders. Next, I'm going to take this small metal container that I also got from the Dollar Tree. I'm only going to use the lid. On it, I'm going to glue the snowman ornament and I'm going to cut out the string and remove the string holder. This ornament, I also got it from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to take some of these small cotton balls and I'm going to glue it where the string holder is, just to create sort of like a pom-pom on top. But this is optional, you don't have to do this. Next, I'm going to glue my ornament on top of the lid, and for this I'm going to use my hot glue. Then I'm going to take these gold glitter pine cones and I'm going to glue them right next to the snowman. And then after that, I will glue some of these small gold ornaments that I have here. I'm going to glue 2 of them right behind the snowman. And next, I'm going to take some hot glue, add it to the bottom of the lid, and I'm going to glue the lid inside my glass bowl. It's looking really cute so far. And make sure you clean the glass of any glue because you want the glass to look really clean. Next, I'm going to take my candlestick holder and I'm going to glue it to the bowl. For this, I'm going to be using my hot glue, but remember when gluing glass, make sure you use a strong glue like the E6000. Now I'm going to take some artificial snow and I'm going to add it to my bowl. Okay, let me show you what it looks so far. It's looking really cute. I'm very pleased with the result. But make sure the flowers are aligned when you're gluing the candlestick holders so that you can give it a more polished look. So the next step is to glue the other candlestick holder to the top of the bowl, and again make sure that the flowers from the flower mesh are aligned with each other. Oh my god, this is so freaking cute. I really love it. Let me just show you all the way around so you can see what this looks like. So here is the finished product. These candle holders turned out absolutely adorable. I cannot wait to use them on my tablescape this Christmas. Now all I have to do is add my candles, and my candle holders are ready to be displayed. These candle holders can be the perfect decoration for your Christmas decor this year. Alright my friends, this is all for now. If you like this video, please click the like button and share it with your friends. And if you're new, subscribe to my channel so that you get notified every time I upload a video. See you next time.